Hey guys, welcome to another mukbang. Tonight we're having Jamaican food. Yes. So, let me get into my patois. Tonight we are eat curry chicken, white rice, and some roasted sliced zucchini. I cooked this, guys. It was so good. Anyway. So, yes guys. So, I made curry chicken wings and white rice. It's good, guys. I don't know if you could see it. So good. Alright. I won't be much talking because I am starving. Literally starving. I'll give you guys a bite though, so you could take a bite. So here's some curry rice. Here you go. Hold on. Alright guys, here you go. Some curry rice. Put it in this hand. Oop. There you go. Can you see it better? I know. I gotta work on my lighting, guys. It fell. Look at that. Anyway, first bite I gave to you. Now this is the second bite. So good. So good, guys. So for the zucchini, what I did, I sliced them very thin. If you look at this one, you can see that it's a very thin slice. I sliced it very thin, and then I put olive oil, garlic, some powder seasoning, and I just roast it in the oven. So good. You guys would not believe that up to about a year ago, I despised zucchini very much. I wouldn't eat it. I would not eat it. But now I am. I love it. Can't get enough of it. It and asparagus. Alright, guys. Get some rice. Some curry rice. I wish you could see it better. Curry wings. Can you see that one? Just a piece of skin. There we go. So good. My curry of choice is the Jamaican choice curry. I normally fluctuate between that and the Grace brand curry, but I prefer when I go to Jamaica myself and get my curry, or I ask my family to send some for me. The curry here is not the same. It's like missing something. And turmeric I don't use in my curry because it's too strong. That's Indian curry. It's good for like medicine, and like other people use it for other facial products and stuff like that, but in my regular curry I think it's too strong. So good, guys. Oh, and another tip. If you're going to try curry and you never had it before, put some ginger in the curry when you're cooking it down. The ginger helps cut back some of the strong curry taste and seasoning to your stomach. So it's like a little calming sensation to your stomach, so you don't throw it up or you get sick or a stomach bug or whatever. Just a little advice. If you never had curry before, you don't want to overdo it with the curry. Ooh. Want to buy a chicken? Take a bite. You guys are so good. Mm. I love my chicken tender. Slide right off the bone. This roasted zucchini though, it's really good, guys. I think you will like it. If you like zucchini and you never really had it this way, try it. Cut it real thin. If you don't want it too thin, cut it medium thin to thick. And then try it with the garlic, the minced garlic, powder seasoning of your choice, and some olive oil. Rub it up together, and then you could line it up in a tray like how you line up like pepperoni on a pizza, or you could just do it any way you want. But it's good. And then you could bake it to your liking. If you want it soggy, if you want it a little bit crunchy. But if you're really into zucchini, try it. It's really good. So good. I'm making a mess. One more thing. Curry stain. I forgot to tell you that. So whatever you're eating with, be careful for your clothes. And if you're wearing fingernails, be careful of it. It stains. So good, guys. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It is done, guys. My plate is clean. So good, guys. Look, it is all gone. So good. I even stopped to take a break to drink water. That's how hungry I was. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. So, see you later until I come up with my next Jamaican dish for you guys. So, bye.